who is a regular. Welcome back, Dawn. Great to see you. Says she has very high protein in her urine. Should she stay away from animal proteins and eat more plant-based proteins?
Yeah, Dawn, good to see you again. Good to see your name. um, this is something that pretty much everybody with kidney disease will ask at one point or another because one of the results with kidney damage is that proteinuria, that protein leaking in the urine. And it used to be thought like, oh, well, if you're losing protein in your urine, you've got to replace it and you've got to eat more protein. But what we're seeing now is that's not necessarily the case. It may be protein could be increased in some cases, but in quite a few of them, it's a matter of eating a more moderate amount of protein. And yes, Dawn, having more plant proteins can be helpful for that. But even beyond being careful with proteins, one of the things that's more impactful or can be more impactful is actually limiting sodium. And the logic, the reasoning behind this is that the higher salt increases the blood pressure. The blood pressure increases the pressure on the kidney filters, and those very delicate kidney filters can be damaged more, which leads to more protein, which is a very big molecule. It should not be coming out of the urine, but that damage results in more protein leaking in the urine. So a low sodium diet is one of the most powerful things you can do to help with reducing proteinuria. And then the other thing, it kind of splits right here. The other recommendation is to really dig into the cause of the kidney damage. Now, there are genetic causes, there are autoimmune causes, but there are situations that are more lifestyle related, diet related. The top two causes of kidney disease are diabetes and high blood pressure. So blood sugar control and blood pressure control. When you can focus on those things, that can help reduce the stress on the kidneys, which can help reduce that protein leaking. So always kind of thinking back to like what's causing the problem with my kidneys and what can I do? What power do I have within my life to take control and to do something about it? There's some things we can't make changes to, but the things that we can make changes to, what can we do about that? So that's what I like to focus on. But yeah, getting back to the original question, being more moderate, more mindful with protein, switching to plant proteins when you have the choice and it's something that you want to do, that's a really great option. Even doing animal proteins and sticking to smaller portions can be helpful. And that's something I tell a lot of clients too when we talk about being more mindful of protein. It's, the portions that are out there now, it seems like it's cutting back a lot on protein, but it's actually just getting back to eating portions that are normal and not restaurant supersized. So, with everybody putting protein in everything these days, it does feel like such a big cutback on protein, but it's really just getting back to normal, healthy protein intakes.